You have learned before what is an acid. So an acid is a compound which on dissolving in water gives hydronium ion as the only positive ion. This was given by Arrhenius. Arrhenius scientist said acids are compounds which give out H plus ion as the only positive ion and bases give out OH minus ions. But further scientists changed that definition into saying why ammonia is a base, because ammonia on its own is not giving OH minus ions. So there are other definitions which say that acids are proton donors, which you already know. Acids give out H plus, this is a proton, so it is a proton donor. And bases are proton acceptor, that is they accept a proton and form ammonium ion here. That is why I'll say ammonia is a base. So HCl is an acid because it gives out proton. Ammonia is a base because it accepts that proton. Acid on adding with water gives you hydronium ion. The other part of it is called the base. So this is the acidic part and chloride is the basic part. Similarly, when I say ammonia reacts with water and gives you NH4, this is the acid part and this is the base part, which is called conjugate acid and base pair. And water is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means it can act as an acid and a base both. Here this is the acid, this is the base. Here this is the base and this is the acid. So water can act as a base, it can act as an acid, so it is called amphoteric. Conjugate acid and base pair means from the acid, if you remove just one hydrogen, remaining part is called the base. From H2SO4, HSO4 is left behind. The valency on top should be correct. Hydrogen sulfate's valency is 1. If I use nitric acid, NO3 minus is the base. H2S, I'm removing one hydrogen, gives me HS minus, which is the base. If I use HS minus here, then removing one hydrogen from here becomes S2 minus. Sulfide ions have valency 2, so this becomes the base. So these are called acid-base pairs, conjugate acid-base pairs. So now what is ionic product of water? So if I put water in, water gives me hydronium ions and OH minus ions, or I can say water gives H ions and OH minus ions. According to law of equilibrium, I can say H ions and OH minus ions upon the reactant is Kw. For water I have written here W. So ionic product of water is H ions into OH minus ions upon water. Since the value of water is always constant, it is taken as 1, and so now I have Kw is equal to H ions and OH minus ions. So this is known as ionic product of water, which means product of ions, right? Product means multiplication of ions gives you ionic product of water. At 25 degrees centigrade, Kw value comes as 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. So, ionic product of water is this. Since in pure water I can say H ions and OH minus ions are equal, so I can say H ion square is equal to this, both of them are equal. I can take this as x, this as x, so it becomes x square is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. And H plus ions is under root of this, so it becomes 10 to the power minus 7 moles per liter. So we will be using H plus ions value is this, and also OH minus value is also 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. So ionic product of water means ions, when they are multiplied, what do I get? Now we know that Kw is equal to H ions and OH minus ions, which is 10 to the power minus 14, and Kw is a constant. Now since this is a constant, if you keep, supposing you have a neutral solution and you are adding an acid to it. If you are adding an acid, you mean H plus ions have been added. So multiplication of these two is always constant. So if you keep on increasing H plus ions, OH minus ions will become less, and the product of both of them still will remain 10 to the power minus 14. If I keep adding a base here into this solution, then the solution will remain neutral. If this has been added, then H plus ions will become less and the product will become 10 to the power minus 14. You also have learned pH is minus log of H plus ions. On a number line you had learned before, 7 is neutral. As I keep on moving towards 14, it becomes more and more basic. On this side it becomes more and more acidic. Now, when I say pH is minus log of H plus ions, we just saw that in a neutral solution, H plus ions and OH minus ions are same, and H plus ions value is 10 to the power minus 7. So I am substituting that H plus ion value here. So pH becomes minus log of 1 into 10 to the power minus 7, which gives me the value as 7. So in a neutral solution, pH is 7. If I keep on adding a base to it, H plus ions will continue becoming less and the pH will continue increasing till 14. Similarly, on this side, it will become acidic. So if I say I am looking at 6, I will say it is weakly acidic, and so on. If I am moving this side, more and more acidic nature is becoming. On this side, this is highly basic, 13, 14. When I am looking 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they are weakly basic solutions.